Hi everyone, I want to welcome you especially to this week's weekly review. Okay, so in this weekly review, I'm going to be showing you some of the impact we had in the course of the week, impact that resulted as a result of the cease of the war between the Iran and the Israel. This has caused a lot of impact in the markets, especially for the fact that the US dollars lost so much value in the war trading week, and just after the ceasefire, I perceived fundamentally that it was going to give us a retracement, of which, if you look through the technical analysis, you see that the retracement was already building with few retracing candles, and that helped us to be able to get the buying timing for the dollar index for this week, and helped us to be able to have better accurate predictions for our Euro USD trading and our GBP USD trading. Okay, the Euro is for the VIP community, the GBP USD is for the free community. I want to take you to the charts quickly so that we can review all of these things on the chart and also get ready for a new trading week so we can have a better trading experience. Follow me through. Let's go straight to the chart. So this is what we did in the course of the week. So we didn't really have much entries, but we had winning entries. So this was the dollar index. Quickly, I told you that the dollar index will gain value. Okay, so that means it's going to be buying, and I said because of that we're going to pay close attention to the bearish move of the GU for the free channel, AU for the VIP channel. So if you look closely, remember what I told you about the comeback of the dollar because of the cease of the war. You see that there was an imbalance here because of the war, and I told you dollar is going back there. Okay, so you look closely, you see it gave us that move. So this move made us to pay closer attention, though the moves didn't quite come as direct as I expected, but the few opportunity we got, I just thought, okay, we're going to stay active to catching the bearish move. So first of all, there was a buying. Okay, first of all, the first bearish entry, if you look closely, you see that it induced. Okay, so this is 30th June. Let me see, 30th June. I hope that's what we're supposed to be discussing. 30th June. So we got induced before we went to take profit, so that we went in too early. Okay, second one was wrong prediction. We were very close to the selling, the end of this particular sell, so we were envisioning it to go more, so it went halfway and reversed immediately. So that those are two failed entries. Then the next one was a buy. Okay, but we went too early for the buy and we didn't get the take profits correctly, so three failed entries. And the final one that went well was the sell when it was fully confirmed, and during the news it just went massively and gave several pips, 90 pips, even though we just caught a few based on what we saw from our own predictions. From our prediction we saw 28, but it went as far as 73 pips. Okay, so that was GU. For EU is for the VIP. EU, I think, was just let's see, two entries. The first one was this, okay, and then the second one failed though. So that's for the VIP. We'll be discussing that with them during the VIP classes. Then next on our Forex for the free channel is GJ. So we have the first GJ entry that failed. The news actually reversed it. Okay, so but our prediction was wrong actually. So it went halfway and the news pushed it up quickly. So we're wrong with that. The second one was good. This was just between the closing hour of the market on Friday. So we have the AJ. We're supposed to catch that. Wow, it's time. So if you're ready, Watch out for this, watch out for this, watch out for this, watch out for this. This is AJ coming through. Watch out for this if you're ready, because I've been waiting for it since, and it's ready. Okay, so quickly, that's an expo for everyone. And we have silver down CFD. Okay, so silver is not giving us yet any confirmation. And then we have okay, gold is for the VIP. We have people USDT, so we're going to reanalyze. Nothing yet on people USDT. Then if we go quickly straight to the synthetics, if we go into the synthetics quickly, we had a jump 25, volatility to 25. I'm not sure if we even took any entries on those two synthetics commodities or indices that we trade, but just to check it quickly and see what it's showing, I'm going to reanalyzing them, getting them ready for you for the new week. Remember, I promised you that for the new week I'm going to be giving you a stock to trade. For now, I've not really had much time on the synthetics, but let me show you a few of what's done. Sorry, looks like the network is a bit slow. The market is a bit slow, rather the network right now, and we have the okay, so we have volatility 25. So of course we have boom 500 and crash 500, and the rest of the other volatility with the VIP. Excuse me, just in case you're wondering about that. So this was jump 25. Good moves, but no time to check out on them, so no entry. But I'm gonna create our time this week. Promise. Then we have jump 25. Good moves as well. The market is making good trends, and as trend followers we could catch. So watch out for the weekly analysis. Then I've been talking to you about ICT. First of all, kfctrading.com for your subscription. Okay, and for those of you who've been wondering, okay, for the podcast you talk about the book, how do I get the book on Forex and crypto trading? It's simple. We have a store. This is the store. You just come to the right side of our website, you click on KFC Trading Store. Once you're on the store, there's a lot you can do. So these are the categories, so you just choose what you're looking for. You want laptops, you want to get cars, get clothes, shop clothes, or you want to get foodstuffs. We even have down to our pharmacy, and then our electronics store. We have what do we call it again? Super light. That's the herbal store where you can get herbal treatment for diseases. So the ebooks is what we're particular for this discussion. So if you click on the ebook, it brings you straight to our book. So I'm wondering why the book is not listed here. I'm going to talk to the support to work on that, the technical team, to ensure that's there. But we have the Forex and crypto trading demystified. It's here. So in this one is 10,000 naira. That's even cheaper than $10. Okay, so that will be done. So we have the VIP courses, okay, of which you should subscribe to the VIP package to get on board. These courses will put you in a professional level. Okay, put you in a professional level. If you don't have cash, come to training videos. You have free training videos to learn. Okay, after you've made money, you think you need to subscribe to our VIP, then it's simple. You can just come to membership plan. On the membership plan, you can find different packages as little as $20, which is the first package, as you can see here. you can get on board. Choose this plan. Okay, you can even choose higher plans depending on what you can afford, and you start making money. So that will be all on KFC trading. Okay, so the IST market, which is the brokerage we are collaborating with, has beautiful incentives, beautiful packages for you. So this is what the surface looks like. Just in case you're wondering, it will be so simple. Just click on the link on the bio section of this video, click on a comment section, description or comment section, and get registered. Then you can create your live account. You can fund your account. For now, we're still integrating the Cora Pay for Naira transactions, but if you want to do quickly crypto transactions, then you can come to USDT TRC20 and you're going to have your access. So you click on deposit funds and the details will be out, and you can do that to credit your account. So there are many other things. You can see educational center for you to learn, beginners video, intermediate, advanced video. We have trading tools as well. We have calculator and plenty other things on their website, on our website, that can guide you to do a lot in the trading space. So get on board. I hope that by all that you have seen in the chart, you've been able to understand clearly how and why the necessary things and the things we saw happen in the markets occurred. And with this, you've been able to make your resolutions. You have been able to see why you made certain decisions, took certain entries. You've been able to look at your journals. You've been able to see your errors, your mistakes, and you're getting ready, for a better week, not to repeat the same mistakes. One of the things you must fight is bad psychology and FOMO. What is bad psychology? When you are beginning to envision the market with a bad mindset. Okay, you don't understand the reason why charts behave the way they behave, the reason why the market moves the way it moves, and you are maybe emotionally being controlled by certain things that happens in the market. And for FOMO, fear of missing out, is when you feel like you had an entry that you saw coming, you waited for several hours and it's passed you, it moved before you got in, and then you saw another entry. Instead of waiting for your right confirmation, you want to go in before your right confirmation. All of these things can be avoided if you stick to A setups, if you stick to your plan, if you stick to your rules, and you expect everything play out as you have back tested. Make sure you're studying in the weekend and getting ready for a new trading experience. Don't forget, weekly analysis is going to be up soon to tell you what the week coming is going to look like. And also, I'm going to be live 1 p.m. GMT +1 on Monday. Make sure you're part of it. Also, don't forget to join our partnership with the ICT market. ICT is International Secured Trading Markets Limited. They've got beautiful incentives and beautiful opportunities for us in KFC Trading Academy, and we are in direct partnership with IST Markets. We're going to be setting up offices in Nigeria and beyond, and with this we assure you that you will have beautiful experience trading with ICT. We're looking forward to you getting on board as soon as possible. Check the bio section of this video. You're going to find the link to get registered as an IB. If you want to be an IB, you're going to find the IB link, or if you just want to get on board by creating a live account, you're going to find the live account link on the description side of this video, or you send us a DM and we'll send directly to you. Watch out for the weekly analysis. Have a great weekend. See you soon.